Hey everybody, Ashley from Career in STEM here. I've got my two Career in STEM helpers, JP and Mila. JP is 9 and Mila is 7. So I wanted to make this video to show you how to use the 5 whys. The 5 whys is technically a root cause analysis tool. It was developed by Toyota as part of their quality assurance program, and I use it in pretty much everything I do. So a lot of the different career exploration curricula I've written uses the 5 whys. I've written articles about the 5 whys, such as the one recently published in Practical Homeschooling magazine.
Wait, 5 whys?
5 whys. And I write about this process extensively in my book, and I'll link to all these things in the description below. But I wanted to show you how it actually works. And you can use the 5 whys for pretty much anything. Anytime you need to solve a problem or identify a reason why, use the 5 whys. In terms of career exploration, this is really helpful to help you determine why it is you like or don't like something, to then take next steps towards something you do like as you explore things. But it works for everything. I'll try this with both of my kids and show you how easy it is to use with kids of any age as well, and with yourself as an adult. So we'll start with a simple question. You can use this again for any question, but we'll start with a simple one. So Mila, well, first, all you do is you ask why 5 times. And the goal is that students or whoever you're doing this with will be able to articulate something really profound, and it usually leads them to it by the end on their own. So Mila, you'll be first, and the first question is, how is your day going so far?
Good.
Okay, good. Why?
So
that was why number 1.
Because we're gonna go to H&R Block and they sell candy bags.
They do have candy. Okay. So why?
And we're going to the Aldi.
Why are you glad to be doing those things?
Because we get to eat the candy.
Why is that a good thing?
Because it's sweet and it tastes good.
Why do you like that?
Because it has sugar. And
Good.
we can barely ever eat sugar.
Alright, so we got through, was that 5? Or did I?
That was 5.
Oh, let's just do one more for good measure. I lost track if that was 4 or 5. So why do you like sugar?
Because it's sweet and it tastes yummy, and I like to make brownies.
Good. So a simple topic like that obviously isn't going to unearth profound, meaningful, earth-shattering insights. But we got to the root of that whole chestnut, which is that Mila loves sugar, which is very accurate.
And I like tea.
So that's level 1. Level 2, we will do with JP. So Jay, can you be ready here? So JP, we've been doing some I can't see. Can you move, please? We've been doing some career exploration stuff. And JP has expressed an interest in being a pilot. So we're going to use the 5 whys again, this time in a career-related context. So JP, why do you want to be a pilot?
So I can work for the Air Force.
Why do you want to work for the Air Force?
I want to work for the Air Force so I can maybe go to war and shoot down planes.
Why do you want to maybe go to war and shoot down planes? Say it loud.
Because planes are my passion.
Why are planes your passion?
Because my mom does the ABC list, and then I always go to P and click pilot.
Okay, so you've done some research about it, is what you're saying, and you like what you see so far. And why, based on what you've seen, do you like it so far?
Because I always like to see the planes take off from the airport.
So it's just a topic that seems interesting to you and you enjoy it, have a natural passion for it. So this is a good example of how it can start to unearth career aspirations, interests, and things to take a deeper dive on. So all I did was ask why 5 times. Because these guys are a little bit younger, I added that helper. The why are you interested in this? Why do you like that?
Why are you?
But for older kids, anybody like 10 plus, you probably don't need to add that. It can literally just be why. So now I know Mila likes sugar. I know JP has an interest, just a natural passion and interest in flight and aviation. So I can help make sure in this homeschool setting, or really in any setting, in our specific homeschool setting at least, I can help know that they're interested in sugar. So for example, I could do Friday candy math day, which is something that we do now and then. And for Jay, I could help him find a field trip to take to a local air place, or find someone in the Air Force for him to connect with and talk, or do a plane ride. So once you know these things that the 5 whys help you uncover, you can take those next steps. So hopefully this is helpful in showing you what the 5 whys are and how to get started using them. Thanks, everybody.
Bye. Have a good day. God bless.